This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make burritos like Chipotle updated. Begin by warming tortillas, then prepare cilantro lime rice, seasoned beans, and your preferred protein. Build each burrito with a base of rice, a scoop of beans, protein, salsa, and cheese, keeping fillings centered. Fold both ends inward, roll tightly from one side, and press seam down briefly to seal for a neat, handheld burrito. Choose a protein that suits your taste and prep it with bold seasoning. Marinate chicken or steak in citrus, garlic, cumin, and salt, then grill or sear for caramelized edges. For plant-based options, press and crumble tofu, then simmer with chipotle adobo and spices for depth. Keep proteins juicy by avoiding overcooking and resting briefly before assembling so each bite stays flavorful and satisfying. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It makes cooking playlists and timers effortless and fun. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one for your kitchen. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Perfect rice and beans elevate the burrito experience and balance textures. Cook rice fluffy, then stir in lime juice and chop cilantro for brightness. Simmer black or pinto beans with onion, garlic, and cumin so they taste seasoned, not bland. Prepare at least 3 salsa options: mild, medium, and hot, so diners can choose their heat level and add fresh toppings like diced onion or chopped cilantro for contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.